So there's a little bit of update. I'm on the Gujranwala Expressway and now I'll use it to get onto Lahore Sialkot motorway and then on to Ring Road to reach Lahore. These are the scenes. What does this say? Gurdwara Rori Sahib Bridge. Okay. Look at how desolate and dark it seems at this time. But anyways, we have left Gujranwala. Interesting. Just 1-2 cars coming from the other side. Let's see how far we have to go. So actually I thought I would just record more on this road, this Gujranwala Expressway, because for the past few minutes it's just me driving over here. There's no one on this side, although there are occasional cars coming from the other side. Maybe people are returning back to Gujranwala after conducting business in Lahore or whatever. But anyways, what I wanted to talk about was the power of connectivity. We connected with some very good friends and actually we made a video for them. They are actually doing their own business, providing trucking services in US, and actually they told us about their business. And then what I'm doing is that on the side I invest in stocks in Pakistan Stock Exchange and all that. So they were actually quite interested in that. They wanted a side income and they wanted to invest in something, and I told them how wonderful these stocks are. So all in all it turned out to be quite fruitful, although it wasn't a big deal if we just met, had some dinner and we would have gone our own ways. But anyways, it was actually quite good because we made it all super productive. So right now let us see where we are gonna go to, if we have to go to Lahore. So it says we have to go straight and we have to take some U-turn and go down the road. So let me also recenter it on the map. So this is what it's saying. Now from here it branches off to Sialkot and Lahore will go straight. Do you guys want to go to Sialkot with me? So this leads to Sialkot. We are going to go straight to Lahore. But anyways, on this road it's just me at this hour. So anyways, we'll just continue. Let's see where we are taken. Below us would be the Lahore Sialkot motorway. This was one side going to Sialkot and there will be another one. It will go on like this and will go back to Lahore. So I hope I can show you people enough of this drive, but anyways the camera is gonna not record that much, so maybe we'll just end at some certain point. But well, here we are, just me cruising down the road. Although this sort of scenes, they are not like unfamiliar to me. Anyways, we'll just go to Lahore from here. As it says, this is my first time going through this road. Okay, this is the weight scale. So headed back home, inshallah. So the car has an M tag, so we can pass from this. The money will be deducted from here, so we just have to make sure that the M tag just takes the number. Let me just confirm. भाई आ नहीं रहा, ले लिया उसने नंबर, टैग लगा हुआ है, ले लिया उसने नंबर. Okay, so it was not showing the number of the car. Usually it's supposed to, but anyways, let us just continue our drive. So now we are on the Lahore Sialkot motorway. And I guess there isn't gonna be much traffic here also. And as I suspected, only some roadworks going on. This could be a separate video in itself. See the roadworks going on. There's security cameras over there on top. I think I dropped my camera below. I'll have to pick it up. Or no worries, we can just remotely control the camera. Actually, if you see my hand, I come close to the camera. There's a button over here in the camera itself, although it's separate from the action pod right now, but we can stop it from here. So 100 is the speed limit. We can go 100 on this side. Just see, the traffic is coming from the other side though. Oh, I got my hands onto the camera. It's actually just between the space between my console and oof. Oh, that's how I picked it up. Oh goodness, check this out. Anyways, let us see how the recording is going. 6 minutes of drive already. There's a PSO pump over there. I'll place the camera somewhere safe. Let's head back home. Still quite some time left. Quite some time left, I see, huh? Let's see. Okay. I would want to go from the ring road. Let's see if that's a possibility. So I guess I will end the video for this road. And if you people are new to the channel and you watched till here, I would really love for you to subscribe to the channel, because I made a lot of videos in Saudi Arabia. I made the videos here as well. While I'm here, I'm gonna put out vlogs. There's a lot of content that is about to come, so I'm excited for that, and so should you be, inshallah, hopefully. So just 30 seconds more and we are gonna end the video. Why? Because at 8 minutes, if this channel gets monetized in future, we can play multiple ads on it. What a cheeky way. So like I told you, it's just me driving. There's no one here. It's just me. We have all the road to ourselves. A road that took billions of rupees to make is at our disposal right now, me and you people. That's wonderful, Talha. Okay guys, thank you so much. Good night. So finally, after driving, here we are at one of the interchanges. Let's just pass from here and then we shall see where we have to go. Let's go, guys. Over there it, oh yeah, okay. So there it didn't, where we entered from, it didn't show the car number, but it actually cached that, like it recorded that. Now over here, thankfully we passed seamlessly. Now we have to go to the Kalashakaku and M2 towards that side. I wouldn't want to go straight to Lahore because it's going to lead us to other side. Look at that, Lahore airport. 35 kilometer and Multan 310. Anyways, I think the KSK, the Kalasha Kaku interchange or something, it's gonna be still a bit ahead because Lahore, it says, is up ahead. So we are gonna look for Kalasha Kaku. Anyways, on these roads, driving alone by myself, even in Saudi Arabia I've traveled much, and oh, this says Kalasha Kaku, but I think we should not go from here. Maybe there will be something else. We can see. Lahore bypass. Okay, where was this leading? It was actually leading to motorway, I think, but maybe there is still some road up ahead. We can see. So, well, if nothing happens, we are ultimately gonna go to the ring road. That is still an option, although it's gonna take more time. To go to Kalasha Kaku, I could have taken that road, but here we are. Now there are no signs, but if something says Kalasha Kaku, I could actually go from there. If no, then we are headed straight into Lahore from the other side. No worries. Now we have to be very careful to read this. Let's see what this says. We can slow down a bit. Okay, this says Shadra Narang Mandi Ring Road. So we are actually going to Ring Road. We left the Kalasha Kaku link. So now the option here is to go to the Ring Road, and from there I can go home. So, well, I will meet you up ahead.